Good morning, children. Now I am going to do the second sum in the matrices and determinants. So this is the question they have given. If A is it equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 3, then B is it equal to 1 minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 6, 5, 1 minus 1. Then find the rank of AB and the rank of BA. Okay, so this is the question they have given. Now we are going to start it. So what they have given the question, find the rank of AB and the rank of BA they have said. Okay, before sums we have learned about how to find out the rank. Now I am going to do the sum. So what they have given, solution. Solution they have given A is it equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 3. And B is it equal to what is they have given 1 minus 2, 3, then minus 2, 4 minus 6, then 5, 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is the A matrix and B matrix they have given. Now I am going to first of all multiply it. I am going to find out the A into B. So AB. Okay, AB is it equal to, first of all what we have to do, take this column and take this row fully. Multiply by first number into first number, second number into second number, then third number into third number. So first of all this column you have to take and multiply by first row, second row, then third row, then finish it. Then likewise second column you have to take it. So now likewise we are going to multiply it. So what is that we are going to get it? 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then what you will be getting? 1 into minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Okay, then that's all, this row finished. Next come to the second row. 1 into 2 is 2. Then minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Then plus 20. 4 into 5 is what is answer? Plus 20. Then 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Then minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Then plus 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, so that's all. This one is finished. Next, that's all. This column is not considered. Now you just take this column. Okay, now you just what you do? You just multiply it. 1 into minus 2, it what is the answer? Minus 2. Then 1 into 4 is plus 4. Okay, then 1 into minus 1. Then likewise minus 4, then minus 12, then what is the answer? Plus 4. Then what is the answer you will be getting? Minus 2, then minus 12, then plus 4 you will be getting. So likewise here what you will be getting? A minus 6, then what is the answer you will be getting? Minus 8, then plus 3 you will be getting. So likewise this column is finished. Next last column. So likewise last column is what you will be writing? 3 minus 6 plus 1. So first one I am just multiplying. Next what you will be getting? 6. 3 2s are 6, then plus 18, then minus 4, then 9, then what you will be getting? Plus 12, then minus 3. Okay, so this what you will be getting for A into B. Next I am going to simplify it. Okay, now while you are simplifying, 1 is here, then minus 7. Then here all together all are plus, so what is the answer you will be getting? 28. Then here also all together everything is plus is there. So 7 plus 5 what is the answer? 22 you will be getting. So here what you will be getting? Plus 2 is 2. Then what is the answer? Minus 1. Here what is the answer you will be getting? Minus 16 plus 4. Here what is the answer? Minus 14 plus 3. Here minus 3 plus 1. Then what is the answer? Here will be getting that is 18 plus 6 is what is the answer? 24 minus 4. Here what is the answer? You will be getting 21. That is 21 minus 3. Then what is the lastly answer? You will get a minus 6, then 1, then minus 2, then 28, minus 12, then 20. Okay, next is 22, then minus 11, then what is the answer? 18. Okay, so this what you will be getting. So you will be finaling the answer like this. Next, what you have to do it, you have to find out the matrix AB, you have find out it. Next, what you have to do the elementary transformation, we are going to do it. So this is the matrix and this is what elementary transformation. So this is elementary transformation. Okay, so for this one, first of all, what I am going to do, AB is it equal to minus 6, 1 minus 2, then 28 minus 12, 20, then 22 minus 11, 18 I am getting. Okay, so this is the matrix, we got it. So first of all, what is the condition for finding the rank? I say this 1 should be here, okay, in the first row and first column. Okay, instead of this minus 6, I should get the 1 there. So for that one, what I have to do, you just want to exchange the column, I have to do it. So for that, you are just doing this proportional and you are just exchanging 1 minus 12 minus 11, then minus 6, then 28, then 22, then what you are writing, minus 2, 20, then 18 you are getting. So this is what is the transformation here you are doing, C1 exchanges C2 you are doing. Okay, so this is the first thing. Next, what you have to do, you have to what, you have to multiply with this one and make this echelon form, we have to do it. And for that echelon form, we have to make this first one as the 0. So for that one, what I am making the changes here, 1 minus 6 minus 2, and here what you are getting, R2 implies R2 plus 12 R1. Okay, so that was if I am just doing here minus 12 and plus 12 into 1, what is the answer? You will be getting 0. Then likewise here I am just putting the 28, then plus 12 into minus 6. What is the answer? 28 minus 72. So what is the answer you will be getting there? Minus 44 you will be getting. So minus 44. Likewise 20 is here. So 20 then plus 12 into minus 2. So what is the answer you will be getting? There, so 20 minus 24 is minus 4. So minus 4. So then you just write it minus 11, 22, 18. Okay. So still it is a bigger number. You have to do it carefully. Next, what we have to do, make this one as the 0. Next, after making this one as the 0, next what you have to do, make this one as the 0. Okay, this 22 you have to make it as 0. So for this one also, we same wise using the row 1, we are going to make it as 0. So that implies 1 minus 6 minus 2. Then 0 minus 44, then minus 4. It is already you have got it. So that implies what you are going to get it here. R3 implies R3 plus 11 R1. So 0, again what you will be getting here, 0, then minus 44. Okay, so if you want to check means you just check it, then minus 44. Then what you have to, you will be getting minus 4 you will be getting. Okay, so again what you have to do, you have to make it here as the 0. So for that one, what you are doing, 1 minus 6 minus 2, then 0 minus 44 minus 4, then again you are just doing R3 implies R3 minus R2. Okay, so minus 44 is there. So minus 44 minus 44, what is the answer? Minus 44 plus 44. So that implies the 0, 0, then 0. Likewise, 4 in the sense minus 4 minus of minus 4, what is the answer? Minus 4 plus 4. So what is the answer? 0 you will be getting. So therefore, what is the rank you are getting? Therefore, the rank of AB is it equal to, what is the answer? 2 you are getting. Okay. So same ways you are going to find out the B into A, you are going to find out it. So now I am going to find out the B into A. Okay. So B into A. What is the B matrix we know? 1 minus 2, 3. Then what is that one? Minus 2, 4, 6. Then what is the answer you are getting? 5, 1 minus 1. Then again what I am doing, 1 1 minus 1, then 2 minus 3 4, then 3 minus 2 3. Okay, same wise I am just going to multiply it. Okay, in the first this column, and you have to multiply with this row and this row, you have to multiply it. So what you have to do, 1 minus 4 plus 9, then minus 2 plus 8 plus 18, then 5 plus 2, then minus 3. Okay, so likewise you have to do it. Here the next column you just take it, 1 plus 6 minus 6. Then what you are just writing, minus 2 minus 12 plus 12. Then 5 minus 3 plus 12. Then minus 1 minus 8 plus 9. Then what you are writing, 2 plus 16 minus 18. Then 5 plus 4, then minus 3. Then lastly you just simplified. What is the answer you will be getting, 6 1 0, then minus 12, and then minus 2 0, then 4 4, then minus 4 you will be getting. So this is what you are getting for B into A. Now you are going to find out the matrix. Next what you are going to find out, the elementary transformation. Okay, so now this is, you are going to find out it. So likewise, first of all you are just writing B into A. So 6 1 0, then minus 12 minus 2 0, then 4 4 minus 4 you will be getting. Then what you have to do, you have to likewise exchange the column. So for that what you are doing, 1 minus 2 4, then 6 minus 12 4, then 0 0 minus 4. So that implies what is the column you are changing, C1 exchanges C2. Okay, so next what you have to do, the first this number you have to make it as 0. So for that one what you are doing, 1 6 0, then what you are just doing, R2 implies R2 plus 2R1. So what you are just doing, minus 2 plus 2 into 1, what is the answer? Minus 2 plus 2, what is the answer? 0. So 0 will be getting. So next one, minus 12 is there. Minus 12 plus 2 into 6, what is the answer? Minus 12 plus 12, what is the answer? 0. Here anyway, if you put 0 means 0. Next what is the thing you are going to do it here? Likewise here you are going to make it as 0. So for that one I am just putting R3 implies R3 minus 4R1 I am doing. So 4 is there, then minus 4 into 1, what is the answer you will be getting? 0. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there, then minus 4 into what is the answer you will be getting here? 6. So 4 minus 20, what is the answer? Minus 24 is there, so minus 20 you will be getting. So minus 20. Here likewise minus 4, then minus 4 into 0. So what is the answer lastly you will be getting? A minus 4. So but you see here it should be a 0. So you just what you have to do it, you can just exchange it, or otherwise you just leave it. Anyway you are getting the echelon form like this. So lastly what you can write, therefore the row of B comma A is, what is the answer? 2. Okay, so both the rank of B and A and B, what is the answer you are getting? 2 only you are getting. So that's all this sum.